What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the Tech Artist. Now, we are all fascinated about levitation, like everybody wants to one day float in the air, like fly and all stuff and everything. So I made this video especially to talk about levitation, and if in the future we could make things levitate, how exactly would we make it? So let's get into the video, and guys, make sure you watch the whole video and like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. So let's get deep into it. So guys, we can see from Google that levitation devices work by creating an upward force to counteract gravity, and sometimes a stabilizing force to keep an object in place. For things to stabilize, the gravity is the main force that makes things to go to the bottom of the earth. So in order for things to fly, we have to make sure there's zero gravity, or we are actually taking down any force acting within it. So you can see the only way that the main principle the levitation device works is through creating an upward force that counteracts the gravity. And gravity is everything; it determines everything. So we are going to get deep into if actually there could be levitation devices, which are the main levitation devices, and which principles would they use. So we are going to get back to Google. It's our main reference. So levitation devices and how they work. So for the first one, you have the magnetic levitation. Guys, magnetism and everything is actually a very strong principle, and it's actually a very good invention. It was a very good discovery because of the magnetic fields and everything. So let's talk about magnetic levitation. Now, according to Google, magnetic levitation uses magnetic fields to suspend an object in the air. For example, magnetic trains, and you guys have seen this in maybe one of the upcoming and modern trains. They use magnetic field so that they can move very, very fast. And if you actually look at these trains, at their bottom, they actually don't touch the ground. The fields themselves make the train to move very, very, very fast. So the magnet interacts with the magnetic loops in the guideway to create an electric current and another magnetic field. The process uses both attraction and repulsion to move the train car. So this is the future of maybe the trains, and maybe even the future of everybody making these levitation devices. So let's go to the next one. So electromagnetic levitation, definitely everywhere there's a combination of magnetism and electricity, you expect to have a very, very, very fantastic idea. So let's check at it. This can be achieved by controlling the attractive force between two direct currents, that's the DC electromagnets, or by generating eddy currents in a conductor using alternating current. That's basically how levitation would work in electromagnetic. And also we're going to look at the last principle, that is acoustic levitation. This uses intense sound to balance a pull of gravity. Gravity is the main force that makes things not levitate. So if we could have any way possible, even if you could have this sound that's acting against our gravity, levitation would actually be very simple. And that's it, guys. Those are the main principles that scientists would use in order to create future devices for levitation. And I don't know if there are actually other principles that could be used, but magnetism and electromagnetism are the main principles which can be used in creating levitation devices. And looking into the future, we might be having even skates that people are going to get tired of the normal skateboards and request for levitating ones. And it's every human's dream to one day fly. So maybe there could also be creation of the levitation suits. I don't know, guys. It's all up to how imaginative or scientific you can be. So guys, thank you for tuning in and for watching this video. If you are interested in this fantastic science video, just make sure you subscribe. And at Tech Artist, we look anything engineering and technology mainly. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you up next time.